Hi guys, I put, like I show you, I already kind of mock off the back axle and put the wheels. As I expected, the wheels are quite narrow. It's like from one extreme to the opposite, it's like 20 centimeters in difference between the back and the front. I want to put a narrow space wheelbase in the back. I have seen many buggies with that. Maybe I put some spacers, but the axle is made for one person only. I don't know if I'm going to try to find another axle, but I know this is not correct right now, but I'm going to move on like in this. And then in the future I will decide how I'm going to tackle this. Okay? See you in a moment. So guys, the front wheels are in the floor, okay? Now I know that the frame is a little bit high on the back side. Nevertheless, the wheels are too high. So maybe, but let me show you here, I have to put this part, let me show you, this part under the frame. I'm gonna try to level the frame itself and then check for measurements. Hi guys, already built the supports in this side. It's the same that in this side. Now the frame, I can call it a roller. It's a roller. The four wheels are on the ground. It's good in terms of tact. Welds. It's enough to be seated on here. And now what I have already received the first part of the steering wheel. The steering wheel I already have from my old Mini. I ordered this part and also this up. This up will be welded in a support that I'm going to build, and that's maybe my next step. My next step is to build some kind of a frame here from this side to this side in order to be in the future dashboard, and the roll cage maybe also gonna be supported by this. But the main part of the roll cage is in this side. Let me see. Here I'm gonna build a roll cage from here to the other side. I already taken some measurements, and this is the next step. So let's go and do it. Hi guys, so what I am doing here now, I'm starting to build up what the so-called roll bar. Let me show you. I already kind of mock up this. I already cut some metal, so the idea is to build this part, and then it will come from this point to this point. I'm gonna remove the seats in order to give me some more space, in order to weld it better and don't burn anything. everyone! So, I haven't been talking too much during the build, so I'm gonna make a resume of what I've been doing in the last clips. So, I finished the roll bar, and I used this setup. I think it's good. Maybe I will put some support in here, maybe not, I don't know. I think it looks really good. I think the buggy now looks very neat. What I'm going to do next, maybe I want to put some supports here, from here to here. Not only to give it more support, but just to look better. I've already tried it and it looks better if I have something like this here. However, I don't know if I'm gonna do it do that just right away, because my steering rack is almost arriving at my home. I think tomorrow it will arrive, so maybe I will move on to fix the steering, because now I don't have a steering rack, and that's where I wanna go next. So, I think this is looking very good. I'm gonna end this episode right here. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.